Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to start the new unit, and this unit is unit number 10. And name of unit Hello Alkanes and Hello Arenes. So basically, we are going to start the organic part of our syllabus. Organic part of our syllabus. And in this organic part we have some important chapters, haloalkane, haloarenes, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acids, from where questions are given to you in the examination. So what is the syllabus given to us in the chapter haloalkanes? In haloalkanes, we have to study about the nomenclature. We have to study about the nomenclature. Second is nature of carbon halogen bond. Nature of carbon halogen bond. Third point, physical and chemical properties. Physical and chemical properties. Physical and chemical properties. Physical and chemical properties. Fourth point, optical rotation. Optical rotation. And last it is given, that is mechanism of substitution reactions. Mechanism of substitution reactions. Mechanism of substitution reactions. Mechanism of substitution reactions. So these points are given into the haloalkane topic which we have. Now we are starting from the first point. Just see what is included in this general introduction. You know that what is haloalkane? You have the simplest alkane, and in this simplest alkane that is CH4, and this CH4 is known as methane. In this methane, what we have, if we replace the hydrogen atom, 4 hydrogen atoms are attached on this CH4 molecule, and when we replace the any hydrogen atom by the halogen from this, when we replace the any hydrogen atom from this alkane, then we will get the haloalkane. This is haloalkane. It means replacement of hydrogen by the halogen atom in the alkane. Replacement of hydrogen atom by halogen in alkanes. In alkanes is known as haloalkane. That is how we get the haloalkanes in this particular method. Now we come to the classification of these halogen compounds. Classification of these halogen compounds. Classification of halogen compounds. Halogen compounds. When we classify these halogen compounds, first aliphatic halogen compound. It is aliphatic halogen compounds. Aliphatic halogen compounds. We have already discussed this in the 11th class, that what is the meaning of the term aliphatic and what is the meaning of the term aromatic. Here aliphatic halogen compounds, and in this we are having the first haloalkanes. In haloalkanes we have examples like ClHH. Another example we have ClClHH. Another example we have the replacement of another hydrogen atoms in this. So that is how we are replacing the hydrogen atoms attached on the carbon atom one by one, and we are getting the halogen derivatives of the methane. These are the halogen derivatives of methane. These are the halogen derivatives of methane. So name of this, that is chloromethane. The name of second one, that is dichloromethane. Another in 3-chlorine, trichloromethane. And tetrachloromethane. These are the general names in the IUPAC system, that is methyl chloride. Another names methylene chloride. The name of this second, that is methylene chloride, dichloride. That is dichloride, methylene dichloride. In the another 3 chlorine atoms are there, that is trihalogen derivative, and that is known as trichloromethane. Common name of this chloroform, and another CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride. That is carbon tetrachloride. These are the names of general halogen derivatives of the methane. Now another condition which we have, that how we give the degrees to these halogens. So just see how we provide the degrees to these halogens. And in this particular sense, what we have, classification of alkyl halides, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. How this is decided? Just see, we have very simple example, CH3, CH2Br, that is bromopropane. And in this bromopropane, this substituted halogen is attached with the another 1 carbon. In this, it is only attached with the another 1 carbon. It means we can say that the carbon on which halogen is attached with how many other carbons. यानी जिस कार्बन पर हेलोजन जुड़ा हुआ है, वो कार्बन अदर कितने कार्बन से जुड़ा हुआ है, वो उसकी डिग्री को डिसाइड करता है. यहाँ पर ये ब्रोमीन जो है इस कार्बन से जुड़ा हुआ है, और ये कार्बन अदर ओनली सिंगल कार्बन से जुड़ा हुआ है, इसलिए that is considered as the 1 degree alkyl halide. That is 1 degree alkyl halide. 1 degree alkyl halide. When we have the 2 degree alkyl halide, what we see that is CH3I. Now this iodine is attached with this carbon atom, and this carbon is attached with another 2 different carbon atoms. So that is 2 degree alkyl halide. That is considered as 2 degree alkyl halide atom. इसको आप 2 degree halide कहेंगे. Like this, what is the meaning of 3 degree? That is chlorine. Another 3 groups are attached there with this CH3Cl and 2 that is a 3 degree. Name of this 2-chloro, 2-methyl, 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. 2-chloro-2-methyl propane is the name of this particular compound. So here it is 3 degree. How we say that it is 3 degree? Because the chlorine atom is attached on the carbon, and this carbon atom is also attached with another 3 carbon atoms. यानी क्लोरीन जिस कार्बन से अटैच है वो कार्बन अदर 3 कार्बन एटम्स से अटैच्ड है. So that is why we are saying that is the 3 degree carbon atom we are having in this. So that is about the degree of the halogens. Now if we see that like the haloalkanes are also possible. Haloalkenes are also possible. In the sense of haloalkenes, how we write their formula related to this. So in general, CnH2n1 minus 1x. This is the general formula for the haloalkenes. General formula for the haloalkenes which we have, and simple example CH2 double bond CHCl. That is a simple example for this, and known as chloroethane. That is known as chloroethane. And vinyl chloride. Name of this vinyl chloride. Name of this compound is vinyl chloride. Haloalkanes or alkyl halides, alkynes in the sense of haloalkynes. What will be the general formula? CnH2n minus 3 will be the general formula in case of haloalkynes, and the example CH triple bond CHCCl. That is the example of the haloalkyne. Chloroethane. That is name of this chloroethane is the name of this particular compound. Now another compounds which we have, they are considered as aromatic halogen compounds. So just see what are included in this. Aromatic halogen compounds. Aromatic halogen compounds, nuclear halogen derivatives. In this, the first nuclear halogen